guys? What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. Just that quick, I am back. Stop shaking. Thank you. I'm back with another hair review, of course. Yeah, I'm annoying, but this company, y'all saw me have their hair before. This is Yiroo. I am back with Yiroo. I think this is the third time I'm back with Yiroo. The first time I made that into a brown wig. It wasn't brown, it was like reddish brown. I don't know, it was supposed to be red, but it ended up being more brown to me. And the ponytail recently I did was YirooHair. And now I'm back again, but this hair is different, I believe. I ain't looking in the back box yet, but I think it's different. When I say different, I mean like you guys, it's not straight hair. You guys know I always get straight hair. I love straight hair. But I think this hair is different, but don't remember. Yes, when you open the box, you get disrespectful. Stop disrespecting me like that on camera. That hurts. You will get lashes, of course. Not to really, you know, you guys know how I feel about these lashes. Like I said, I got a rack of these lashes in my closet, in my clear bin. What are you guys waiting for? Let me know if you want these lashes and I will send them out to you, y'all. I have a whole bunch. I usually give them to my cousin, but yeah. This is also a closure again. I know closures are just coming my way and I don't know why. I have 20-inch again. 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, and a 14-inch closure. So this is basically like the last bunch. This is basically the same thing I've got with the last hair, except this is Brazilian hair, and this is not straight. I'm not sure what hair this is. I'm not sure what pattern this is, but we're about to check it right now. I'm kind of confused because the bags look a little short, so hold on, I think I'm gonna like this pattern. Hold on, I think I'm gonna like this pattern. Something smells good. Something smells good. Oh, why do this out? I should never do this out. Oh, hold on. This look like that. What hair is this? Is this natural wave or is this loose wave? Cause this ain't body wave. Yo, did y'all see how them ends just curl back up? Yiroo! Stop it! Oh my gosh! Nah, I'm jacking this bounce, y'all. Nah, honestly, I'm about to make this wig today. Yeah, I'm about to make this wig today. But what color can I do? I don't want to leave it black, but this bounce, oh my god, I pray the bounce comes back when I bleach. I'm not going to bleach this whole thing. With this hair, I might honestly just do a few, I don't know, I gotta think of something with this hair, because I don't want to bleach this hair. This pattern has to stay, because I know when I wash my hair, if I have it as a wig and I go outside and pool, whatever, and it gets wet, the pattern is gonna look mad pretty, y'all. But I'm really jacking this hair. The bounciness and the, yo, look how shiny and bouncy this hair is, and then it curls back up with your finger. Yiroo, what y'all doing? I'm jacking this, and it's 20 inches on your girl. 20 inches. Yeah, I'll be doing some crazy stuff in my videos. This is 20 inches, but y'all, like I said, y'all know how I feel about YirooHair. I love YirooHair. I always put people on. When they be like, oh, which hair company do you recommend? I'll say some other ones, but best believe Yiroo is always in that list of mine. Like, for real. The closure, I already know the closure is bomb too. But I'm really jacking this 20-inch wave, Yiroo. Ooh, I gotta do something special with this hair. What can I do? Y'all, what can I do with this hair? I'm trying to see. But I am definitely going to beauty splash for right now when I'm done. Because this hair about to be body. This hair about to be body. You feel me? You dig? So let me put that away. This can go in the garbage. This is my first closure. And I'm gonna take the closure out. Oh god, thing in it. Okay, I don't want to rip the lace. Okay. So let's take this closure out. This is a standard closure. Yo, these nets be attached to me. They never want to get off my hand. So, oh my god. Yeah, I think this is, nah. I think this is natural wave or loose wave. This gotta be something. I'm gonna check the email right now. Look at this closure. This closure is thick. Oh, she thick. And this is a free part closure, y'all. It has no permanent part. This is a closure. This is a free part closure. And this closure thick. She thick. Let me look at my email from Yiroo. God, Yiroo, y'all know just exactly how to give me tech. I said give me tech. Get me hype. Okay, hold on. I was just emailing them. I was right. It's Brazilian loose wave. That's loose wave. Woo! Yiroo. Alright, so in this video, like I told you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly bleach your closures. And I'm doing this because not a lot of people know how to bleach their closures. I mean, some do, but they don't know, like, certain key points in bleaching their closures. So, I guess when I just put this joint up, did it just go right back down? I'm just being disrespected throughout the whole video. This is wet because you guys know, y'all just saw a last video I just did. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this closure flat down on this head. And put one pin there. And another pin in the back to hold it. What I use to bleach hair, I always use, if I'm not using Quick Blue, I am always using BW2 and 40 volume developer. And I mix it together. And of course, I mix it together in a hair bowl with a brush, of course. But this is old bleach that I just recently used on the last closure. So I'm going to go ahead and make this bleach, bring this bleach back to life. If you guys ever have like bleach just sitting out for like a few minutes and it gets that like, it gets foamy, I think. All you gotta do is just add a little bit of developer. And with my, when I bleach closures or frontals, anything, it should always be thick. I've learned my lesson multiple times. When it's not thick, it will seep through. For example, this, it will seep through and the hair will be blonde, and you don't want that. So it should always be thick like toothpaste, okay? It should always be thick. I'm gonna put a little more powder in here because it needs some. So now when it comes to applying the bleach on the lace, I never use a brush because I'm real heavy-handed. No matter if the bleach is thick or not, it will go through the lace if you're heavy-handed and like push it on, like smudge it on with the brush. It will go through the net because of course the net has holes. So what I like to use is a butter knife. Let me zoom you guys in real quick so you guys can see. And this is how the lace looks before. I think I should take a picture. This is how the lace looks. This is how the lace looks before you bleach it. And you guys are going to see how it looks after. And I use a butter knife to like smoothly put it on as if I'm spreading butter on my toast. So I'm going to go ahead, take it, and just, it may look like I'm pushing it in, but I'm not, but I'm putting it on it smoothly. Make sure you're not heavy-handed. And when it comes to bleaching a closure, like, you honestly don't need a lot of bleach. With frontals, you need a lot of bleach. For closures, you won't need a lot. Like, I saw the little bit that was in there. I only put like a little bit of powder in, literally a little bit, so it can get a little more thick. And this is all you honestly do. Just like so. I literally feel like I'm making toast. Like, you guys don't understand. Just like that, and I still have bleach left over. Okay, you want to make sure you get the edges where the hair starts on the lace. So if you leave a little bit of lace, you won't see no weird harsh lines from where it's bleached to where you could tell it wasn't bleached. So just like that. So after you do that, I'm going to get my phone. Separate me. Get my phone. Put on the timer for 25 minutes, y'all. 25 minutes is how long I always let my bleach sit on the lace, and I'll be back when it is done. Timer is done. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out, and I'll be back. I am back, and the closure is bleached. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks bleached. It doesn't have that brassy undertone. It should look natural. I did not pluck this hair yet, of course, obviously, and I'm not going to do that on camera. I just did that in the video for you guys, but this is how the closure looks bleached. It looks real. It looks good. You feel me? You dig, okay? And this is how your closure or frontal should look. And like I said, I washed it out with regular shampoo and conditioner. I usually don't use conditioner, but I wash out regular shampoo and conditioner, and boom, you got it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All Yiroo details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 32K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.